This is Byte Sized SWE, episode 5. Today we're talking about a lesson in coding that was beaten into me when I was a fresh new grad. I'm ashamed to say it, but I used to be a little sloppy with my code in the beginning. I didn't come from a computer science background, so my attention to detail wasn't the best. I was focused more on getting the code to work than anything else. Well, in steps the industry veteran on our team who gets the joy of reviewing my code. After a few diffs of code that was pretty hard to read and poorly organized, he pulled me aside and gave me some great advice. He said, try to follow this one principle. Code is written once, but read many times. Don't write the code for yourself or for the feature that you're working on. Write it for the person that will have to maintain what you wrote years down the line. Will that person be able to understand what your code is doing? Can they make sense of your variable names? Are you using too much syntactic sugar from the language and it's unreadable? Can someone with little to no context look at this code either in code review or in the codebase and then make sense of it? Challenge yourself to do this. Think of the legacy you will leave in the codebase. Are you leaving it in a better state than you found it? Can someone come into the project and make sense of what you've already written, or is it a jumbled mess? Following this principle was one of the fundamental pillars that I built my coding abilities on. From very early on, I tried to write things as clearly and meticulously as possible to ensure that future generations of engineers in the codebase could actually make sense of what I wrote. Too often these days, I see people smashing out code with zero thought that someone else might have to maintain this or look through it. This is especially bad at meta, where everyone is so narrowly focused on landing impact that code quality and best practices are the first thing to go out the window. And with the advent of AI, the problem of garbage code being churned out is sky high. But you don't have to be part of the problem. Aim to write solid code and people will notice. People can quickly tell who do things the right way and who is just pressing tab and letting AI take the wheel. I know, it's the hard path. I know, it takes longer. I know, it slows you down. But you and future engineers will appreciate the investment in writing code the proper way, the maintainable way, the understandable way. Do you follow the principle of written once, read many times? Do you pride yourself in writing solid code, or are you just launching whatever and best practices be damned? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time,